This is what we're gonna do, family. We're gonna return to our beginnings, to our roots. One of our early episodes was done right there at that fish market. You know, sometimes you go to a spot in Newark that's kind of like a hole in the wall, but has been there for years, man. That's one of the spots right there. Right? The front of it says Ish Market. I'm not messing with y'all, man. Let's go check this spot out again. I think the last time I was here, I had whitey. I just got a craving for some fish. There are several fish markets in Newark, New Jersey that I can go to. I can't remember if I could actually order the fish in the back. Yo, I'm back here, remember? Moji Tea is across the street. Remember I did Moji Tea? That's a couple episodes ago. I'll put that up so you can see it. Right here on Market Street. Let's go in here and see what they got. See what they got. See what they got. Fish in the back too.
Hello. I did from the cold.
Can I pick fish to have it fried too? I can? Thank you. All right, y'all. We gonna go. Do you fry red snapper? No? Okay. Let's see, man. They got a market back here, man. There's a market back here. Nice dried fish. And groceries. Let's see. Oh, the shrimp. That ain't bad, man. That's a good price. Good price for shrimp. Right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good price. All right. So, what can I have fried? What I got whitey last time. That is a good price, y'all, for porgy. I think I'm gonna do the porgy, y'all. I think I had the whitey the last time I was here. I'm gonna get some porgy fried, okay?
Fried?
Yeah, can I get it cleaned and fried?
No.
Okay. All right, so you cannot get it fried. We just gotta pick from up front. You can't have it cleaned and fried, none of it?
You know porgy?
Yeah, they got porgy up here?
Yeah.
Okay, it's already cleaned, okay. All right, y'all, so up front, we're gonna go up here. And there's porgy up front. Y'all know I like to pick mine out. But we definitely gonna pick some and get it clean. Check it out. Oh, she got the porgy. Porgy dinner, $9. That's the one we're gonna get, y'all. We're gonna get the porgy. Porgy dinner. I'm gonna get the porgy. You got porgy fresh? It's all fresh, right? Fresh. ¿Cómo se dice fresh en español?
En español se dice fresco.
Fresco. Ah, okay. So todos fresco. It's fresh. Okay, I'll get the porgy. We're gonna order porgy. Okay, so she calling in the back. We're gonna get the porgy come out, y'all, and the bones in it. That's the porgy right there, y'all. Thank you so much. That's that porgy, y'all. Check it out. Okay, thank you. You can just set it down.
Thank you.
All right, y'all. Got that porgy fried real good. What we gonna get? This the hot sauce right here, right? Hot sauce. Just a little ketchup. No bueno. All right, y'all. We're downtown Newark, New Jersey, and I got my fish. Y'all saw I put the hot sauce on it. I'll put some ketchup on it. And I'm gonna be honest, right? That grease look like it's well used. See how it has that like dark brown to it? See that dark brown? And I wanna see how, sometimes when it's like silvery like that, I don't know, my experience, it hasn't been that fresh, but let's check it out. The hot sauce tastes delicious. Tasting the juices from the fish, definitely fresh. So you guys remember in this episode here, I was able to go pick up my fish. That was actually off of Market Street too. We're on Market Street, but that was way up the hill off of Market in Bergen. They got really good fish there too, but I've never been disappointed coming here. Uh-oh, I'm dropping. It's good, I need some water. See, the fish has that darker fry to it, and that be telling me that the grease is not that fresh, but it tastes delicious. Y'all don't see me eating fries much. I do love good French fries. And these are good French fries. Some people are real choosy about their French fries, but I can't think of ever having bad French fries, unless they're cold and from McDonald's. All right, let's really dig into this fish now. Okay, I just see that? That fish is really fresh. I like porgies because they're very meaty. Okay, this is that whole big piece right here. Look at that. Let's dig into this meat. All right, I'm gonna use my fork. I can lick my fingers real good because I cleaned them off. Let's use the fork, y'all. See what side I'm on here. Okay, that's the bony side. Let's turn it over to the meaty side. There you go. Wow. Look at that meat flaking off in there. Y'all gotta see this, man. Look at this. Ah, it's hard to get it. Look at that meat. That flavor is delicious. I gotta show y'all that meat. Look at all that meat in there. All right, this is a short video. I'm gonna wrap it up. Once again, here down at the fish market on Market Street. We're gonna put the address up. This is the second time I've been here. Put the link up to the first time that I came by. If you want to come in, if you want a spot where you can go get some fresh fish, come on by here. Also check out the other spot up Market Street. If I can compare both of them, I like that one because I can actually pick my fish out, show them which one I want cleaned and fried right there in front of me. I don't like this going in the back type of thing, you know, where they do it like that, but still the fish is pretty fresh. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you hang with the wrong people. Thanks for hanging with us here in Newark, New Jersey. See you next time. Peace. Exact address. Man, it was really a hard choice deciding what I wanted to eat today. And then I was like, fish. And I wanted to drive up the hill to, that's my favorite fish spot. But I have to be totally honest, that was really good, man. It really tastes delicious, really tastes fresh. The fries were delicious. I didn't eat all of the fries, but they were still good fries. So now it's time to just head back home, man. It's Saturday, Veterans Day, here in Newark, New Jersey. Let's see what we can get into next. Got a brand new skyscraper going up back there, y'all. They over there working on that building too. Look at that. Somebody's going down the elevator. What are they doing working on Veterans Day? All right, somebody's out here yelling, man. Let's go get into some trouble. I ain't getting in trouble. Y'all know I ain't getting in no trouble. But somebody yelling, yo. Let's go see what's happening. Let's see what's happening. Beast mode.